Hey there, beer enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about something that's a game changer for any camping or beach trip: rolling coolers. We have 10 amazing coolers lined up, each with its own set of unique features and benefits. So let's dive right in. First up is the Yeti Tundra Hall Portable Wheeled Cooler. This beast is known for its durability and amazing ice retention. It's perfect for those rough terrains and extreme weather conditions. The Yeti Tundra Hall boasts a 55-quart capacity and 2 inches of insulation, ensuring your drinks stay cold. Its rotomolded construction makes it incredibly durable. Look at how smoothly it handles these rocks. The heavy-duty rubber latches keep everything secure. This is the cooler you want for serious outdoor adventures. Next, we have the Coleman Portable Cooler. This one is a great value for your money. It's spacious, with the capacity to store up to 95 cans plus ice. The wheels are sturdy and can handle different terrains. And check this out, it doubles as an extra seat or table. The lid has 4 molded cup holders, and it's strong enough to sit on. On a budget, check out the Igloo Wheelie Cool Cooler. It's affordable but doesn't skimp on features. It has a 53-can storage capacity and is perfect for all outdoor activities. The reinforced handles and wheels are perfect for all terrain types. Look at all this space, and these handles make it easy to carry if you're going through a particularly rough patch. Next is the Igloo Trailmate Journey. The Igloo Trailmate Journey is your go-to for diverse adventures. It has a whopping 70-quart size, oversized heavy-duty wheels, and can hold the temperature inside for up to 5 days. It even has a butler tray for serving meals and drinks. This is the ultimate party cooler. Next is the Coleman Extreme Wheeled Cooler. The Coleman Extreme is made for convenience. It can hold up to 84 cans and its light-treaded wheels roll well in sandy conditions. It features extreme technology with an insulated lid and wall to keep ice cold for up to 5 days. It's also super sturdy and can support weights up to 250 pounds. Next is the Ozark Trail Rolling 42-can soft-sided cooler. The Ozark Trail Rolling Cooler is compact and versatile. It's great for everyday occasions with its telescoping handle for easy pulling. It also has mesh pockets and side-mounted handles for easy carrying. These pockets are perfect for storing extra snacks or gear. Next is the Pelican Elite Wheeled Cooler. For the serious adventurers, the Pelican Elite is perfect. It packs a 45-quart rolling cooler that keeps your drinks and food cold and keeps animals far from it. Its polyurethane insulation can keep it cold for up to 10 days. These durable and extra-wide latches make it easy to use, and the overall construction is incredibly robust. Next is the Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze Collapsible Rolling Cooler. The Arctic Zone Titan has a 3-layered superfoam coating and can accommodate 60 cans. It can carry a weight of up to 100 pounds and has several compartments. Look at all these compartments. And it has cool riser technology to retain cold temperatures for an extended period. Next is the Coleman 42-can Soft Cooler. The Coleman 42-can Soft Cooler is portable and efficient. It can accommodate up to 42 cans and features heat-welded seams, making it leak-proof. It's also treated with antimicrobial materials to prevent mold and mildew. The interior is super easy to clean and maintain, perfect for family outings. Last but not least, the Igloo Ice Cube 60-quart roller cooler. This one can hold up to 90 cans and has an ultra-therm insulated body to keep your drinks cold. The cube shape is designed for better space utilization. It's easy to pack and store. The durable wheels make it perfect for any terrain. There you have it, folks. These are the top 10 rolling coolers that will make your outdoor adventures even more enjoyable. Each cooler has its own set of unique features and benefits, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're going on a camping trip, a fishing expedition, or just a family picnic, there's a cooler here for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Until next time, keep exploring.